Hi guys, how you doing? Welcome back to the channel, welcome to the new video. Today we're doing Bitcoin Cash because people request Bitcoin Cash and it's pumping, so we're doing Bitcoin Cash. Anyways, enough of chit chat, let's get into charts and see what's happening with Bitcoin Cash. Now check this out, it's at around 600 right now and it's pumping real hard. I don't know if you guys been watching my earlier Bitcoin Cash videos, but these moving averages on the weekly chart, man, they are insane. Like, it's so nice and it was keeping the support so hard. Do you remember the dump over here? Do you guys remember the dump? People got scared, man. Let's look at this on the daily. This dump over here, it went not this dump over here, it went up to the 380 and then went down, and it just hit the moving averages on the weekly. Right here. It was that, see, 21st December. Am I talking gibberish now? No, that's 21st. That's dump over here. I mean, it was beautiful. It went down like people are scared, but this moving average is down here. You can see they're one on top of another. That's what's going the titanium support area. If it breaks this, like, it's dead. And you can see the curvature of this thing, man. Like, you see it's curving up, everything is curving up. So if the price breaks these levels over here, it's game over, basically. You understand? Okay, so let's check out what's happening with Bitcoin Cash right now. We're gonna first establish some kind of supports, resistances. What's not kind of supports, it's not going down, it's going up. Some kind of resistance, what's happening right now. So basically what we got here is this top over hit some kind of lows here, some kind of tops here, right? So this is actually some kind of area, resistance area, that we have to get through, because there's a lot of resistance lines that can be drawn over here, and I'm just gonna draw them fast. These that are in the ballpark. So everything of this is broken right now. We are above it. If this week close above this level over here, what's that? 441. If this week today close above 441, which is more likely we will close, that means that we got a higher high. That means that we are in uptrend. That means that this triangle is finished. That means that we are out of triangle. That means that the downtrend has changed and we are on the move up. So keep that in mind. All we have to do is close above 441 to be really bullish on this. I mean, you can be already bullish, but anything can happen. If it falls below 441, no new higher high, then we still gotta wait. But right now it looks like it's gonna close like that, and that's all good and nice. So basically what we're looking at here right now, it's this big resistance area. I don't know if I'm gonna draw this in two. I think just draw one entire thing as one resistance area, and we're gonna keep that in mind. So basically it goes from it's already in it, so it's already starting to break, getting through it, but I think it's gonna use a little while to get through this. So around 600 to 777, somewhere there. It's a big resistance area because there are a lot of lines, a lot of resistance lines that are being broken. So it's gonna be choppy way up, at least from what I can see. Anything can happen. It can go just one straight way up, but I think it's gonna be choppy line. Also, to notice on the weekly chart, there are some really nice lines, really nice. And when I show you these lines, I want you to hit the like button. Check this out. This one over here, it's amazing. Hits all the weeks down top here. I mean, this is gonna be resistance line to watch. Once it's broken, it's bull market as never before. So this comes around, I think, at around 900, something like that. No, that was the magnet token. We don't want to use magnet for this. It's somewhere around here, 889. So let's be conservative and say 900. Okay, let's do like this. 900, fine for me, 900. So that's the target we are actually looking for. We are gonna get through these resistance lines and resistance levels. It might take some while. I don't think we're gonna do it today. I don't think we're gonna do it tomorrow. It's gonna be choppy, right? And then the 900 line is gonna be broken. And once the 900 line is broken, it's good times. Now there is also one more line on the long-term chart, and that's something like this. I think it's not that popular, but it is what it is. It's some kind of line, and that line ends up all the way this is weekly, so let's say in a couple of weeks, something like that, right? 2287, and that's almost like the tops over here. So basically we got this resistance area that we got to get through, the 900 moving 900 target and the 2287 target, and we're gonna see that these targets on the further up we go, where they are. We're gonna use, I'm just so you can see it better, I'm gonna remove the wicks so you can see what I'm doing, you know. I'm just saying stuff out of my you know what. Let's see, so we got let's use magnet for this. We got top over here. Once it's above the top, top is 2390, let's say 2340. Give me 240, give me 240, 2435. 2435. Now he's gonna remove this one around that area. Once it breaks 2004, it's all new all-time high. It's gonna go sky high, you know. Then we got, of course, this high and yeah, those two highs. So basically this one and this one is at, so now there are a lot of numbers on the screen. I'm gonna say what I think about them on the long-term perspective. So you got this start over here from 777. That's some kind of resistance area because there are a lot of resistance line there, so it's gonna be choppy right up. I don't think it's gonna be straight line up, but once it's above 777, I think it's gonna go pretty fast. First of all, it's gonna go hit the 900, this ascending line, triangular line. It's gonna hit this line anyways and try to break it. Once it's broken, it's gonna go for a 1333, and after that it's gonna go 2400 and all-time high. How this is gonna play out, like, nobody can tell you that. Nobody can tell you the date. It's gonna happen in a week, in 10 days. I know people are doing that, but that's not how technical analysis work. I'm just telling you what's gonna happen on the way up. First resistance area, second the 900 line, second the 1333 line, and the third one is 2400 line. And before we get to those lines, we're gonna have some movements, sideways movements. There are gonna be patterns. We're gonna watch them. We're gonna see if the patterns are strong or weak, and we're gonna trade the patterns, right? But that's what I see right now, and that's how it's going. So let's get into this into the 5-minute chart, see what's happening right now, and if we are gonna actually get out of this resistance on top of 777. So right now I did video on SV, Bitcoin SV yesterday, and it also did similar thing. It was climbing the moving averages. You can see here on the 5-minute chart that it's climbing the 20, the 50 moving average, and once it gets a stop, it falls all the way down to 200 moving average, sometimes even down to the 400, or it can even go down as low as 800 moving average, but usually not. Usually the 400 is the one that catches up on the 5-minute chart and pulls it up. But right now it looks at 200 did held, and it's gone back above all the moving average. But this is 5-minute chart, so anything can happen. Anything can happen. What you want to see it's that this is continuing. Yeah, I can show you that on 1 hourly chart. Let me use the wicks for this. On 1 hourly chart, we held the 20 moving average. That's over here. On the 4 hourly chart, we are not even close to 20 moving average, and that's 4 hourly chart. You know how bullish this is? It's very bullish. It didn't fall here, it fell down below 20 moving average and then just pumped. And now what I'm expecting on a 4 hourly chart, example, I'm expecting some kind of steps over here to form with the 20 moving average, with 20 moving average, or even the 50 moving average. So 20 moving average are gonna support the price and move it higher. Now it did pump a lot since the breakout over here. How much percent was that? That was, if I can just correctly figure it out, around 30-40%, 40%. So it did go a lot. I think 20 a day, like, yeah, it's a lot. 40% is a lot. So I'm expecting some kind of sideways movements until the moving averages, at least on the 4 hourly, catches up with us. So we are extended from the 20 moving average on the 4 hourly, and you can see the 4 hourly, it's keeping pretty close to the price all the time, even in an uptrend, right? This is the 4 hourly, especially 1 hourly. 1 hourly already got to 200. So I think 1 hourly is gonna go down to 200, 150 or 100 moving average, and it's gonna be pushed up. Anyways, I see only positive things about this. There was, let me turn off the moving averages. just show you this. So basically I think that there was some kind of a triangle over here that the price actually went out of, something like this, I think. Depends on how you draw it. Maybe something like, yeah, that's the one, yeah, that's the one. This is the triangle that we got off out of, I think. I got magneton, man. I don't like magnet all the time. Let's say something like this. So this was a long-term short time triangle that we got off, and right now we are out of triangle. I already think we had the retest on this, as small it is, but we can always get a new retest on it and bounce off it, so watch out for that as well. Anyway, target for me is all-time high above here, around 2400. When we're gonna hit that target, don't ask me, not quite sure. I think the first target we should be aiming for is 900. That's the closest one, and after that 1333 and 2004, and after that the moon. You know what I'm saying. Thanks for watching, guys. Like the channel if you like the channel, no, the video, subscribe to the channel, all that shebang. Don't lose your money, trade carefully. Also, not financial advice. You do your trades, I'll do my trades, and all the shebang. Bye bye. Oh yeah.